let's learn English.
ဒီနေ့ phrase သုံးခုကိုလေ့လာကြရအောင်ပါ It's a huge hit. It's been a crazy few weeks. Hit or miss. It's a huge hit. ဒါကအယံကိုအောင်မြင်တယ်အယံပေါက်တယ်လို့ပြောတာပါဒီစကားစုကိုတချင်းဇက်ကားထုတ်ကုန်တစ်ခုခုအယံပေါက်ပြီးအောင်မြင်တဲ့အခါသုံးပါတယ် It's been a crazy few weeks. Crazy အလုံးများတာကိုပြောတာပါ Few weeks အချိန်တိုလေးတစ်ခုကိုပြောတာပါ It's been a crazy few weeks. မကြသေးမီကအလုံးများခဲ့တယ်လို့ပြောချင်းဖြစ်ပါတယ် Hit or miss ကြိုတင်ခံမှန်းလို့မရပဲကောင်းလာလည်းဖြစ်နိုင်ဘလို့ဆိုးတာလည်းဖြစ်နိုင်တာကိုဆိုလိုတာပါတခါတလေကောင်းတယ်ဒါပေမဲ့တခါတလေတော့မကောင်းဘူးဒီလိုဆိုလိုပါတယ်ဒါဆိုဒီစကားစုတွေသုံးပြီးပြောတဲ့ interview တစ်ခုကိုလေ့လာပြီး listening နဲ့ speaking ကိုလေ့ကျင့်ကြရအောင်ပါ
Please welcome the star of Cosmic Chaos and The Last Unicorn, Chloe Carmichael. Chloe, it's great to have you back on the show. Congratulations on the new film. It's a huge hit.
Thanks, Jimmy. It's been a crazy few weeks, but it's all good.
You've been doing a lot of press, and I feel like everyone's been asking you about your favorite movies, your favorite co-stars, your favorite memories from filming. But I want to know about your favorite thing. Just a thing. Not a person or a movie. What's your favorite thing in the world?
That's a great question. You'd think I'd have a good answer for that since I'm constantly being asked favorite questions. I think my favorite thing is a really good pillow.
A pillow?
Yes, a very specific, very fluffy, incredibly supportive pillow. The kind that makes you feel like your head is floating on a cloud. I travel so much, and hotels can be hit or miss with pillows. When I find a perfect one, I get genuinely happy. I've even considered stealing one or two.
No, you can't say that on national television. What kind of famous actress would you be if you're getting arrested for pillow theft?
A very well-rested one. Please subscribe for more.